Hello world, I can't believe spring is almost over. So in this video, I'm going to use this new cake decorating set by Wellmax to decorate a spring-inspired cake, specifically inspired by Wisteria flowers. This cake decorating set comes with 24 piping tips, a white cake turntable, icing spatulas, double-sided fondant tools, icing side scrapers that makes designs, flower nails, cake smoother, cleaning brush, flower lifting scissors, and a silicone pastry bag. This set is pretty comprehensive and makes a good gift for any person starting out their cake decorating journey. This cake decorating set definitely allows you to create a lot of different designs. The color for the fondant tools is really nice too. Surprisingly, the cake turntable spins very fast. Even though this piping tip set does not come with large-sized piping tips, the small-sized piping tips is still good to create intricate and small designs. So to use this cake decorating set, I covered a cake with white buttercream frosting using the icing spatulas. Then I used the icing scrapers to smooth out the side and create patterns. To smooth out the top, I used the icing smoother. So the frosting doesn't have to be perfect. What I'm trying to do is just get it as flat as possible so I can use the small piping tips to decorate designs on top of it. So using one of the small closed star piping tips, I decorated the sides like this to look like wisteria flowers. Then I took a small French star piping tip to make patterns like this. And then last but not least, I used a twisted star piping tip to decorate the remaining parts of the cake. At first, I thought about using it to make tiny flowers on the side, and then after I played around with this tip, I realized that I can use this tip to make it look like a wave. Then I generously covered the top with nonpareil sprinkles. Oh, and by the way, I decorated this cake on top of the cake turntable. So this is how I created this simple spring-inspired cake using this cake decorating set. I put a link in the video description on where to get this set if you are interested in it. I hope that you are having a wonderful spring so far. If there is something you would like to see me decorate, let me know in the comments below and I'll try to make it. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a sweet day.